So this is exactly how I was able to fix my GameSir Tarantula Pro stick latency. So basically what I had to do firstly is to connect my controller here to my laptop or PC. And we have to do so either via the dongle that you should have gotten when you purchased it, or via the cable that you also should have gotten. I'm going to use the cable for this tutorial because I believe it's just very easy to connect it via the cable really fastly. So this side needs to go right here, of course, and the other end is going to go into my computer here real quick. So now once it's connected here, as you can see, then what I'm going to do is to go into an app called GameSir Connect. And you can get this app really easy if you don't have this one. So just go into Google, type GameSir Connect, and then just go into their official website and get that app. It's a really good app, and it's also the app that we need to use to be able to fix this issue. So you can see GameSir Connect right here. So hopefully it's gonna start here in a minute. Yep, you can see that it actually starts now. And Tarantula Pro, you can see it's one of the options for it. So now on the app itself, what we need to do now is that we need to click right here where it says reset to default, and then confirm right here. And once you have done so, you need to also click on the firmware upgrade here. Mine is current, up to date right here, but most likely yours aren't. But the most important is to click on reset to default here, then confirm, and afterwards click on firmware upgrade. So try this and hopefully now you will be able to fix it as well.